Welcome to Cryssberry Kitchen. So today we're going to see how to make this very tasty yet very simple onion chutney. So let's go. First we'll heat a kadai and I'll add some sesame oil to it, just about 2 to 3 teaspoons. And I have here 2 medium onions sliced thinly. Now we will fry these onions in the oil. Chop it thinly so that it cooks faster. And we'll saute it. We'll add some salt to fasten the cooking process. And we will fry this onion until it turns light golden brown. To this we will add 2 dried red chillies. If you want it more spicy, you can add one more. So we will fry it along with the onion. Do it on medium flame, otherwise your onion will get burnt. It's almost done now. It needs to get even more darker, so we'll just sprinkle some water and we'll just saute it for some more time. Do it on medium flame as I told you. Now it's done. This is the color we want. Now we will start grinding it. Let it cool and then we'll grind it. For grinding, we will add about 1/4 cup of grated coconut, and a small piece of tamarind and a small piece of ginger and 1 teaspoon of roasted gram. We've ground it to a fine paste now. We'll do the seasoning. To a seasoning pan, add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil and some mustard, about 1/2 teaspoon of mustard. Now we'll add some curry leaves and 1 broken dry red chilli. We'll add it to our chutney. Taste and adjust salt before adding the seasoning. Now our simple yet very tasty onion chutney is ready to eat. It tastes awesome with dosa, idli or even rotis. So cook, share, enjoy.